Hello, kitty, 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 Tanli. Are you trying to catch the bird? Birds, birds, go away. Don't fly very low because Kitty, Tanli is watching you. Tanli, are you watching for the bird, Tanli? Look, Tanli. Tanli, Tanli, look at me. Uy. Did you find the bird, Tanli? Hindi siya umalis, Ningo.
Busy kayong dalawa.
Gustong-gusto ni Tanli magpa-picture. Tanli, picture ka? Hello, Tanli. Did you catch the bird? Birds, go away. Don't fly very low because Tanli is watching you.
Abang.
Nag-aabang. Oh, Tanli, look. Is there a bird? Is there a bird, Tanli? Alisto si Tanli. Alisto, Tanli. Alisto. Okay, Tanli, jump now, jump. Tanli, Tanli, go away. You're so cute, Tanli. You're not afraid of me? Ha, Tanli? Hello, Tanli. Did you catch the bird?
Nakikiusap na sa'yo din.
Ayaw ba niyang umalis, oh?
Aba.
Hello, Tanli. Hi, Tanli. Okay, Tanli. No bird. There's no bird, Tanli. Aba, nagpo-post pa siya. Lumingon. Umarap dito. Umarap pa siya dito. Tanli. Umarap. Umarap ka dito, Tanli.
Stanley.
Narinig. Hello, Tanli. Posing Tanli. Okay, Tanli. Okay, Tanli, I will tell my audience that this will be my Doma Bugs vlog for today. I'm with Tanli, the kitty kitty, who is watching the birds to fly down so he can catch them. Bye, Tanli. Thank you for watching.